So here we have the Volkswagen Tiguan on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge. We then have the rev counter. With the gear the car is currently in the middle of that, it's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment. Over on the right-hand side, we have the speedometer with a digital readout for the speedometer within that section, and then the fuel gauge over on the far right-hand side. You can change the way that these dials are set up if you wish to. So there's a few different options. And eventually get back round to the beginning. You can also customize the information displayed in that central one as well. So you've got the driving data menu, which is the menu we're on at the moment, but there are other menus. So you could have, for example, your telephone, audio, navigation, assist systems, or driving data information displayed there. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons that I was using a second ago are over here on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. We've also got a heated steering wheel, which you can turn on from there. Stereo controls beneath that, which continue over on the left-hand side just here. We also have cruise control over on the left-hand side. Hit that button to turn that on. If you hit this one in the middle afterwards, this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically, depending on the car in front speed, and that's done with this button just here. Just behind the steering wheel, we have the minus and plus paddles there, so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. We're on the radio menu at the moment. You'll see that we have FM, DAB, and internet radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. You can either stream it wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, or if you hit My Media, you're able to set up your own playlists within the car as well. Pairing your phone is very easy. Just hit that button and then follow the instructions on your phone from there. Satellite navigation is accessed up in the top right-hand corner. There's a full video showing how that works on our website and on our YouTube channel. Working our way down, we then have the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, and you can either do that by tapping either end of this or by sliding your hand, and it will move a lot faster, as you can see, than each individual tap, taking it up to 0.5 at a time. You can just do this and you'll be all the way up to the top. Same as with the fan speed, you can tap it to increase and decrease the fan speed, or swipe your hand across, or your finger across in either direction. Once you're happy with all of those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on and off. You can do that by pressing this button just here, so it's on at the moment, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for, or temperatures, by taking control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. Any manual adjustment, so to either direction of the air or fan speed, will override auto straight away again. We have a heated driver's seat and a heated passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings each. Underneath that, a 12-volt charging socket and 2 USB-C inputs. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We have an electronic handbrake with also hold function. This button will change the driving mode of the car, so you can put it in eco, normal, sport, or individual. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is now off. We can turn the parking sensors on and off, and this last button will turn on autonomous parking. Follow the instructions on the screen. This car will park for you. It will take full control of the steering, essentially, leaving you in control of the accelerator pedal, the brake pedal, and what gear the car should be in. We have done a couple of videos showing that working. Again, you can find them on our website and on our YouTube channel. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.